New at 11, a national survey presented to the CDC shows vaccination rates for the latest COVID-19 booster are now in the single digits. And with the colder months approaching, health experts are urging people to get the shot. Brenda McIntosh is in the studio now after speaking with one local doctor about the updated vaccine. Brenda, what did you learn?
Well, Dr. Keith Newby says vaccination numbers are low due to vaccine fatigue. He says people are getting tired of the shot and the initial fear of the virus has dissipated. But he says it's still important to get the latest booster.
Just 2% of children and 7% of adults have gotten the newest COVID-19 booster. That's according to a national survey presented at a CDC meeting Thursday. Hampton Roads cardiologist Dr. Keith Newby says vaccine fatigue is partly to blame for the low numbers.
I mean, it's something about getting that needle that a lot of people shy away from.
Newby says as the initial fear of the virus has dissipated, fewer and fewer people are heading to the clinic. But Newby says COVID isn't over.
But the long-term ramifications, excess shortness of breath, brain fog, strokes.
Newby urges getting the latest booster as the virus continues to mutate.
When you get updated COVID vaccinations, they're designed to deal with those mutations.
Newby says while you may still catch COVID after getting the vaccine, the severity is much lower. And he says the vaccines aren't just to protect yourself.
If you have a family member who is immunocompromised, if you have an elderly mother or father at home and you bring COVID home, they could get it and die.
When it comes to the flu vaccine, Newby says don't take that lightly either. He urges getting both vaccines as soon as possible.
Getting a second of discomfort for a long-term gain, I think is worth it.
Newby says while you can get the flu and COVID vaccines together, he recommends waiting a week or two in between shots. Back to you.
Thank you, Brenda. And the Norfolk Health Department is hosting a vaccine clinic this Saturday. It'll be at their location on Southampton Avenue from 10 to 2.